guys and girls. Well, I'm excited to bring you Elliot. Elliot is a new style, part of the Noriko Fall 2019 collection. Elliot is the most affordable style in the collection and certainly the longest. I just love the layers and the long, beautiful strands, which are slightly flipped at the ends. This style is a basic cap. It does have a little bit of permatease at the top, but it's not overpowering. I love that the style has bangs. Well, let's take a closer look at Elliot. Elliot features a super soft cap that is a perfect choice for those with a sensitive scalp. Now, under this lace fabric is a moderate amount of permatease, which gives the style its great volume and lift. The cap is open wefted on the sides and the back, which provide air circulation and scalp coolness. The velvet-lined ear tabs are adjustable. In the back, on either side of the extended nape, you have adjusters which allow you to customize the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Well, here's Elliot, and isn't this a very glamorous, very bombshell beautiful style? I love the bangs. Someone with a high forehead like myself appreciates good bangs on a wig style, and you can wear this style right out of the box without having to worry about thinning out the bangs. There's just enough and they're very well done. Now, if you find that the bangs are too much for you, you might want to take this to your hairstylist or wig salon to have the wigs thinned or cut to suit your face shape. Elliot's cap size is average, which fits a head that is 22 inches in circumference, which is exactly my head size. And Elliot fits me perfectly right out of the box without moving the adjustable straps. Now, there's not a lot of play to this wig cap, so I don't know that this wig would work well for someone with a larger than average head size. The front of Elliot is just a basic cap front, so you do not have off-the-face styling options with this style. The top does not offer parting space. It has permatease, and I'll show you a close-up. At the top of Elliot, you will find these wiry, dark fibers. This is permatease, and this is what gives the style its stability, shape, and volume. This is not a defect. Elliot is made of the finest Japanese Moda acrylic synthetic fiber. It feels very silky and soft to the touch, just like human hair, and there's very little shine. This particular style has a lot of permatease at the top, but as you can see, it is not poofy. You do not get a helmet head with this style, which is wonderful. Well, let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. Look at the great layering and the beautiful movement of this particular style. Right side. Elliot's measurements are 3.93 inches at the bang. The crown is 9.84 inches long, and the nape is 14.17 inches long. Elliot has a weight of 5.4 ounces. This shows you the incredible density and fibers that you get with this wig. It is a pleasure to wear, very comfortable. I'm wearing Elliot in the beautiful color Illumina-R. This is a rooted color. It is pale silver with a slight lavender undertone and dark brown root. Now the root is like a number 2 dark brown, and you should also know that there is a $19 upcharge for the wig when you purchase this color. Well, let's take a look at this wig outside. Here is the color Illumina-R in Natural Light. Elliot offers you endless styling options. This great length can easily be pulled back into a ponytail. Very cute. You can also take the length, give it a twist, and secure it with a claw clip for an updo. Now you're ready for a formal event or hot summertime weather. This style also looks really cute tucked behind the ear. And you know, with this permatease, you can just take your fingers and tease up the fibers for a really full, voluminous look. If you're interested in purchasing Elliot, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry Elliot in all of the beautiful Noriko colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. If you go to the pinkypromise.com homepage, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll receive a 30% discount code to use on your purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. If you have any questions about this style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave them in the comments section below. If you wear Elliot, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Please subscribe and check out my other videos. Take care. Bye-bye.